Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of nouns, and trust me, it's a piece of cake. So let's break it down. So what are nouns? Well, think of nouns as naming words. They're like labels we put on everything around us. Now look around you and name all the things you see. These are all nouns. So, nouns are names of persons, places, animals, things. Anything you can think or see. Names of seasons, festivals, or ideas are all called nouns. Now let's get into the different types of nouns. First up, we have proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are specific, like names of people, John, or places like Paris. Common nouns, on the other hand, are more general, like table, city, laptop. Then we've got collective nouns for groups like team, and abstract nouns, which are things you cannot see or touch but can feel, feelings, ideas, love, freedom. Moving on to compound nouns, they're made up of two words together, like toothbrush. And concrete nouns, they're tangible things. You can touch them, like ball. Now let's talk about countable nouns. Things you can count, like apples, are countable, and things that you cannot count, like water, are uncountable nouns. Let's not forget gender. Some languages assign gender to nouns. In English, we have masculine, feminine, neuter, and common gender. Alright, let's see this in action. Think of a proper noun like London, a common noun like car, a collective noun like class, an abstract noun like peace, a compound noun like toothpaste, a concrete noun like dog, a countable noun like books, and an uncountable noun like sand. Phew! That was quite the noun journey, right? Remember, nouns are everywhere, and now you can spot them in the wild. Keep practicing and you'll master this in no time. See you in the next lesson. Download the Catalystz app from Google Play Store for practice exercises on each concept. Follow us on Instagram for lessons and more. Click the link in the description and hit that follow button now.